Welcome back, folks. We got the John Deere 35D and it's time to grease the machine, and we're going to do the whole thing, top to bottom, front to back, inside to outside. We're going to start with greasing the blade pins. Now this doesn't have an angle blade on it. I've got the blade all the way down. So we're just going to go through and start greasing them until we see grease kind of oozing out here. Should have bought an electric grease gun, huh? Okay, I see it squirting out there. It looks like there's 4 fittings total. There. We should rotate that fitting around a little bit, be easier to get to. There, 4 of them set back around when we're done. See it yet? We're here. So make sure we're not making too big a mess. I did pressure wash this thing pretty heavily, and there was, tons and tons of grease buildup. I can see it oozing out there, so that's good. That's greasing your blade. Do the bucket in the link here. We'll take our no pocket screwdriver. See if we can clean out some of the goo in there, so we can get to our grease fitting just fine. I blasted most of these out when I was pressure washing it. Good there. These lock and lube fittings are fantastic, in my opinion. I'm thinking we're going to go through a couple of tubes of grease doing this. There's that. Bottom cylinder here on our thumb. We'll get the top of it. And then we'll get the rest of the stick here. We've got to get the top of the cylinder for the bucket curl. I didn't get that yet, but we did lay this boom down so we can get these upper grease fittings. Oh, it's coming out back. I didn't see it back there. Oh, I see it coming out the front. Oh, let's see. Oh, that's grease fitting for this lower pin. It's right under here. Here. Oh, I see it now. There it is. The wire came out now. I don't know if there's one on the inside of that cylinder or not. We'll have to look. I'm gonna get a napkin and clean up some of our grease here. I believe this is the only one we have left. We've done all 3 cylinders, 4 cylinders, including the swing. And down there where it attaches. Let me double check service data, but I think that is it, folks. So now we have to grease the swing gear and the swing bearing. So that's underneath the machine. That's what allows it to rotate. And according to service data, we do the bearing. We end up pumping grease in it 4 times. So it tells you to, start the machine up, give it some grease, move it 90 degrees, do that 4 times. So essentially, coming all the way around. But on the swing gear, it says to do it 7 times at 90-degree intervals. So we'll take it outside and see what we can do. So that's it, folks. Kind of misspoke on that when I said to do the gear, I'm sorry, or the bearing. Which one was it? It was the gear. Get them confused 7 times. You actually do it a total of 8 times because you do it once and then you repeat it 7 more times. So essentially 2 times around on that. The best of my understanding from what I read. There is another process too of greasing your 2 joysticks by taking rubber boots and stuff up on them and putting a dab of grease on the little ball joint in there. Haven't done that yet. Maybe we'll do that in another video to show that process. Don't know how critical that is, but they probably have a lot of wiggling on them. And that's it. We're going to keep moving. I'm going to keep doing some more of the service work here, folks, and we'll see you guys on the next video.